Hello, everyone. Sam is here from creativetrading.system.com. I am still in ICU in Jackson Memorial Hospital with my wife for the last 10 days, sitting here and making this video also. So I earlier made the video about Bitcoin. I'm making this one, and then probably gonna make a couple of more. I'm a little bit relaxed because doctor said that there is no more danger. It's just a recovery mode right now. So thank God everything is fine. Looks like, but I'm still here. So nothing to do. So I said, well, let's make the video, right? So, okay. Now, so let's get started with the video. Gold monthly chart I made on 8th September. This is my Elliott wave count, right? You can see on my last video about gold that this is what I showed, that this is wave 1, 2, and then this is a big, huge count, right? Higher time frame. And wave 3 should be finishing somewhere there, right? Actually, if you look at the bracket, that this is wave 1, 2, and wave 3 should be to the upside, but wave 3 also making this wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Then there would be wave 3 finishing of this bracket, this type, and then it will drop for wave 4 as well. So we were expecting to finish this wave 3 here, right? And then drop for this wave 4. So right now, let's take a look at this. So that this is what happened. So I think that this is where we are finishing now. Is this wave 3, right? And this is the current chart. And now we're going to drop for wave 4. So this is wave 1, 2, 3, and then now we need wave 4. Now, if you look at the monthly chart, let me see, weekly chart of this that I made earlier, saying that this is the inner wave count, right? This is wave 1, 2, and then wave 3, and then it's going to be coming for wave 4, and then it will go for wave 5, but that didn't happen. This thing went straight up and finished wave 3. Let me show you. So this is what happened. This is a monthly chart, and this is a weekly chart. So now this is inner count. If you can see 1, 2, 3, this wave 4 triangle, and then straight up to wave 5, finishing wave 3. Now we are going to be dropping for wave 4. Okay, that would be, let me see the daily chart. So now the way it is dropping for wave 4, it has to be like either in 3 waves, A, B, C, or triangle, A, B, C, D, E, right? So let's say three wave. And for that 3 wave, those 3 waves, A and A and C can be impulse involving 3 subwaves. For example, wave A and then B and then C. The A can have 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you look at that daily chart, a little bit more elaborating this chart in the smaller time frame daily chart. So this is my current chart. So this is, we are finishing wave 3. Now we drop here, and then we went up there to around 61%, and drop. It was like last Friday, we were dropping, right? This black candle is the last Friday. So if this is wave 1 or A, and this is wave 2 or B, then we need to be having a 3 or C wave down here to this high. Okay, so I've saved the chart. I'll later on post on the Telegram as well for my subscriber. But this is what I think that immediately this was going to happen. This is the chart. Right now I made a video. It is November 16th, Sunday evening. Market already open, and it's 6 p.m. right, Eastern time. So gold probably going to start moving. And so my take is that it's going to be dropping from here to here. So let's see what happens. So I want to finish the video now. I'm making small videos, right? Not too much detail, but to the point, right? So this is what it is. Let's see if we take it from there. Levels, there are no levels here. So you don't see any levels here, right? All right, so this is it for now. And hopefully in the next video, I'll make about US dollar index and the USD pairs like Euro, USD, Pound, USD, and USD Yen. Okay, so this is it. And talk to you guys in the next video.